I make $750 a month. I pay $109 phone bill, where I'm constantly blocked from every chat room. If their little big dick boy, Grammaton, from the uncensored chat room, oh yeah, he runs the show now. Before, Zeron was the big showrunner. Zeron was the big hostage leader, stopping everyone, every girl who's been to a mental ward, in which he thinks it has mental illness has something to do with intelligence or dumbness. He really thinks that. So I had to straighten him out. Excuse you, Zeron. Mental illness has nothing to do with your intelligence or dumbness. It's all to do where you inappropriately mentally mistreated. Yeah. Were you inappropriately mentally mistreated? That's what mental illness is about, Zeron. It's about being mentally inappropriately mistreated. Meaning, you were mocked for your ideas. You were mocked for, oh, you looked over there. Oh, you stood and you thought about something. Oh, you even spoke. Oh, you wrote in a book. Yeah, all of those things, if they mock any of those things, it will cause you a mental illness. Oh, you liked a certain guy or a girl. If they mock that, that will cause another kind of mental illness. And certain mental illness will cause you to stutter, you to have a lisp, or even harm yourself, become suicidal. Oh, yeah, they call it butt hurt. No, it's called inappropriate misbehavior towards a mind. Towards the mind. Oh, here's the part where everyone gets pissed off. Whenever they have to wipe their ass, wash them naked, house them, pay rent, pay for food, pay for supplies. This is the part where they get angry at the people, their victims, their own victims. They get angry at their own victims.